Okay, so in this video I will unbox and do a first start of the Bigme B7, a Kaleido 3 Color Eink e-reader. It's too bad that it's not the Pro version though, but I will later on in another video compare it to my Bigme B751c, because it's not so huge difference between those two. But we go to my table cam now. Here we have my table cam, and here is the box with the Bigme B7 Color, and here we have my old Bigme B751c, also color. Same display and so on. This has more RAM, it has a better processor, CPU, it has 4G connectivity. That's quite cool, but I will probably not use a SIM card in this. So let's start by unboxing it. Here we have a quite nice white box. Here we have some information that it's the B7 color blue. That's a quite unusual color for the B7. That's nice to see. And it has 8 GB of RAM memory and 128 GB in storage. And you have a micro SD card too. Slot. Here on the back side we have some more information about it. A lot Chinese, as you can see. And again, you will find links down below where you can buy this. Quite nice unboxing. The package is quite Apple-alike to me. So go check the links down below in the description text where you can buy this. And as I said, it will be a review video later on, it will be comparison videos later on, and setup videos and so on. Here it feels like this is a case. We will look at that later on. And here we have the device itself, is my guess. Here you see again, B7 color, blue. And let's see if it's easy to unbox it, like so. Nice. And here we have the e-reader itself. And it has a stylus, it's stylus support, wireless charging of the stylus. So you can take notes on it if you are into that. I will probably use this mostly for ebook reading, but I will of course try out the stylus later on in my review and so on. Here we have some documentation, a quick start guide. We have some sticker. And we have a charging cable. I have a lot of those now, but I don't have so many chargers though. It would be cool to have a power plug sometimes with it. But anyway, here we have USB-A to USB-C. And here we have some pen nibs to the stylus. So you can change those if you use this pen a lot. And here we have the pen. Feels quite nice. We would a paper mini pen. Feels a bit the same weight. And you don't need to charge it, as you see. It's a wireless charging. We have a Bigme logo there. We have a button probably for erasing, and we have the nib here. So nice to see. And that's what's in the box of the device itself. So here we have a case here, and we have the device itself here. So let's remove some plastic. Like so. This should be blue. I think this is more like grayish black though. but it's a bit bluish maybe on the back side and so on. I don't like stickers on my e-reader, so hopefully this is easily removed, like so. Nice. It feels quite nice. It has some grippiness on the back side, so that's really cool. Here we have a 5 megapixel camera, I think it is. AI camera they are calling it, to scan documents and so on. We have a microphone, a power button, we have speaker, we have probably a microphone, USB-C, the SIM card tray for 4G SIM card and micro SD card, and a reset button or microphone. Nice. Very heavy though. I think it's heavier than my B751c. Maybe not, maybe not. The buttons feels a lot better on the B7 compared to the B751c. They are more in the device on the B751c. On these they are a bit above. So it feels very good. On the back side, that's what I like the most of the device at the moment before I'm starting it. So let's start it while we are opening the cover, the case. So it starts, the Kaleido 3, darkish grayish display, never white, so you need to have always front light on Kaleido 3 e-readers, unfortunately. So they are not so nice to look at if you don't have front light on. Here we have a case. Nice Bigme logo. It's a magnetic case. I love them because it's so much easier to put them in these and take them off and so on, because I usually the only time I use cases are when I'm traveling and need to move this to another place, and then when I'm holding the device I don't want to have a case on. And here we can also have the pen, probably like so. Yes, that's nice to know. Now we are into some settings. I usually don't do that in the same video, but we can do a quick start of this. So I will choose, I don't think you have Swedish here, so I will choose, maybe they have Swedish. Yes, they have Swedish, so I choose my language. Usually the Swedish translate is terrible on these kinds of devices, but we will see. I need to allow some stuff here. Here we can do some settings for smart office. We have some gestures. You can switch for multitasking. You can go back home. You can do a full refresh. You can have gesture for raising, for example, the brightness. We can do that here by having warm light on that, and we can have, sorry I did the wrong way, I want to have warm light there and I want to have cold light here. So I can now drag my finger up and down to raise and lower the front light. And you can use swipe left and right. I don't like that because when I turn pages I sometimes swipe. So we need to choose a Wi-Fi connection here. Now I have turned on Wi-Fi. I don't want to have some smart office settings at the moment, so I go like so. I skip all these, and this button here I usually turn off immediately because I hate them actually. So well, I will do that later then. You can do that in the settings, but here we have it, the first start. I think this should run Bigme OS 5.0, so this is 4.0, it shows there, so maybe I need to go up and do some update, and I think that will be this for this video then, if it finds an update. So we have an update to the latest Bigme OS, so we start the update now. So this will be it for this video. We have a lot of stuff to go through later on, but now you see I'm updating. I don't have time to go through that, but because you see some settings here, but it's the same. I can see about the same B751c settings and so on, so you have seen them before if you have a Bigme device. But I will go through this later on in another video and so on. So now I will do an update of this and then do some settings and so on. So it feels quite nice so far, really nice. And go check out the links down below in the description text where you can buy this. Really nice. So I will do some updates. Okay. Bye.